Dear viewers, today we have another remarkable story to share with you. Despite the harsh conditions of this dried-up lake, we've encountered a group of people who have found a way to sustain themselves and their families. Join me as we meet the lotus tuber harvesters in the midst of adversity. As I was exploring this dried-up lake, I stumbled upon a group of individuals working tirelessly. Let's find out what they're doing.
We come here every day, even though the lake has dried up. The lotus tubers are still here, hidden beneath the mud. It's our way of survival.
Despite the challenges posed by the drought, these harvesters have managed to find lotus tubers buried beneath the dry lake bed. It's a testament to their resilience and connection with nature. Can you tell us more about the significance of lotus tubers in your lives?
Lotus tubers are not just a source of food for us, they hold cultural importance. They symbolize hope and endurance in difficult times.
After harvesting, it's time to prepare a delicious meal using these lotus tubers. Let's see how it's done.
Traditional lotus root dish, a culinary delight with deep cultural significance. Process of preparation. Preparing a traditional lotus root dish is a labor of love that requires attention to detail and culinary skill. Here's a simplified overview of the process. Selecting fresh lotus roots. The first step is selecting fresh and firm lotus roots from the market. These roots are typically long, cylindrical, and brown on the outside. Peeling and slicing. The lotus roots are carefully peeled to remove the outer skin, revealing the crisp, white flesh inside. After peeling, the roots are sliced into thin, round discs. Soaking. Lotus root slices are often soaked briefly in water with a bit of vinegar to prevent browning and to maintain their pristine white color. Cooking methods. Lotus root can be prepared using various cooking methods, depending on the desired dish. It can be stir-fried, braised, deep-fried, or even used in soups and stews. Popular dishes include lotus root stir-fry with vegetables, sweet and sour lotus root, and lotus root soup. Flavoring. Lotus root is known for its ability to absorb flavors from other ingredients. It's often cooked with a combination of soy sauce, garlic, ginger, and various seasonings to create a harmonious blend of sweet, savory, and sometimes spicy flavors. Flavors. The flavors of traditional lotus root dishes are a delightful combination of textures and tastes. Crisp and crunchy. One of the defining features of lotus root is its crisp and crunchy texture, even when cooked. This texture provides a satisfying contrast to other ingredients in the dish. Sweetness. Lotus root has a mild natural sweetness that becomes more pronounced when it's cooked. This sweetness pairs well with savory and umami flavors. Umami. Lotus root easily absorbs the umami-rich flavors of soy sauce and other seasonings. This gives the dish a savory depth that complements the sweetness of the lotus root. Aromatic, garlic and ginger are often used in lotus root dishes, lending their aromatic qualities to the overall flavor profile. Cultural significance. Traditional lotus root dishes hold deep cultural significance in many Asian cuisines, particularly in China, Japan, Korea, and India. Here's why they are culturally important. Symbolism. In several Asian cultures, lotus root is associated with purity, enlightenment, and prosperity. Its unique appearance with holes or eyes signifies clarity and insight. Therefore, lotus root dishes are often prepared for special occasions and celebrations to symbolize good fortune and positive beginnings. Health benefits. Lotus root is celebrated for its health benefits. It's believed to have cooling properties and is used in traditional Chinese medicine to promote digestive health, reduce inflammation, and boost the immune system. Therefore, incorporating lotus root into dishes is a way of promoting well-being. Culinary heritage. These dishes are an integral part of the culinary heritage of many Asian communities. They are passed down through generations, preserving cultural traditions and culinary techniques. Versatility. Lotus root's adaptability in various cooking methods allows it to be featured in a wide range of dishes, from everyday meals to elaborate banquets. Its versatility makes it an essential ingredient in Asian cuisine. In conclusion, the preparation of a traditional lotus root dish involves a meticulous process that showcases the unique flavors and textures of this extraordinary vegetable. Beyond its culinary appeal, lotus root dishes hold deep cultural significance, symbolizing tradition, health, and prosperity in many Asian cultures. Each bite of a lotus root dish carries with it the rich history and traditions of the people who have cherished this unique ingredient for generations.
In the face of adversity, these lotus tuber harvesters have shown us the incredible resilience of the human spirit and the beauty of nature's gifts, even in the harshest conditions. Thank you for joining us on this inspiring journey. If you found this story as heartwarming as I did, please share it with others. It's a reminder that even in the most challenging circumstances, people find a way to persevere and connect with the world around them. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more incredible stories of human resilience and our deep connection with nature. Until next time, stay inspired and keep discovering the extraordinary in the ordinary.